Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to know the MAC ID of your computer. First, open your system settings or system preferences. Next, click on Network in the sidebar. Select your active network connection, like Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Then, click the Advanced button, usually found in the bottom right. Finally, go to the Hardware tab to view your MAC address, which is a unique identifier for your network adapter. For those who prefer the command line, you can also find your MAC address using Terminal. Open the Terminal application, which is located in your Utilities folder. Type ifconfig and press Enter to display network interface information. Look for your active network interface, often N0 for Wi-Fi or N1 for Ethernet. The MAC address will be listed next to Ether or Hwater, typically as a 12-digit hexadecimal number. So, what exactly is a MAC address? It's a unique identifier assigned to your Network Interface Controller, or NIC, for communications within a network segment. Think of it as your device's physical address on a local network. It's a 12-digit hexadecimal number, often displayed with colons or hyphens separating pairs of digits. This address is essential for how devices communicate directly with each other. Knowing your MAC address can be useful for several reasons. You might need it for network security, like setting up MAC address filtering on your router to restrict access. It's also helpful for troubleshooting network connectivity issues or when registering your device on certain institutional networks. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, ensuring your feet stay comfortable and supported for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.